Firstly, use a tiny flathead screwdriver to pry out the top cover to allow center lighting for the new knob. Then, gently insert the button turnable trim into the stock turn knob and press firmly to ensure the knob is level. Then, peel off the 3M tape back on the knob trim cover and paste it on the stock knob. Press the top cover firmly to ensure the adhesive tape bonded well on the knob surface. Once done, test the rotation, directional, and press to select operations are smooth and unobstructed. Now check out the illumination on the new knob trim cover in the dark.